Postpartum depression is often considered the most common complication of pregnancy and childbirth.
And there may be new help for moms experiencing symptoms with the approval of a new drug specifically aimed to treat the disease.
Colleen Sikora is with us in studio today. And Colleen, this is different from the current treatment for women who are struggling.
Yeah, the only other therapeutic to treat postpartum depression is administered through an IV and is expensive. But this new drug approved by the FDA is oral and taken for 2 weeks.
Too often,
is by far the most common complication of pregnancy and childbirth.
women experiencing postpartum depression.
We tend to buy into the myths of motherhood, that this is the happy, glowing time, that I'm going to have this automatic bond. And if I struggle, then something must be wrong with me.
For those working alongside women struggling and their providers,
We've been waiting for it.
the FDA's approval of zuranolone offering hope.
It's the most diagnosed and underserved issue that we can deal with. Less than 15% of women will actually get the help that they need.
Michelle Lacey, a licensed professional counselor and certified perinatal mental health clinician, works with women going through postpartum depression and other mood disorders.
I'm hoping that it will normalize that this is one of the most vulnerable times in a parent's life. And it's not about willpower. It's not about having the best coping skills or not. It's about there is a biological, there is a psychosocial component of it.
Zuranolone is taken orally for 14 days, and according to the drug makers, phase 3 clinical trials showed patients who took zuranolone had rapid improvements in depressive symptoms.
It's supposed to be short term. Like, you take it, it's effective within 3 days. And again, more to come. But if that turns out to be the case, that would be very cool.
Currently, the only other therapeutic for postpartum depression is an IV.
Problem with that brexanolone was it was a 60-hour IV infusion. It cost like $35,000.
Cost isn't known yet for zuranolone. Dr. Syra Kalia is the director of the Arizona Perinatal Psychiatry Access Line and hopes this will be an accessible option and one solution to a common struggle.
This is not just stress or distress. This is disease. And this disease is highly prevalent, and it's really, really debilitating.
And there is hope and help if you or someone you know is struggling with postpartum depression or other mood disorders. You can contact the Postpartum Support International Hotline at the number on your screen to get connected to support and resources. Colleen Sikora, 12 News.